And now the next topic is about cumulative frequency series. Cumulative frequency series. Okay, let me share the PPT only first, then I'll come back to the questions. Cumulative frequency series. This is the almost last type of series, which is important, of course. See, when frequencies of different groups are added in a systematic manner, the sum is called cumulative frequency. And there are actually two types of cumulative frequency series, less than and more than. Just have a look here, please. Suppose you have been given one question of exclusive series, like marks are given to you, and with marks you have been provided, of course, frequency. Okay, the marks are given to you as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. ये बेटे आपको दिया हुआ है मार्क्स, ये आपको मार्क्स क्वेश्चन में दिए, यानी कि of course that is the exclusive series only. And with this you have been provided the frequency also, like 3, 7, 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 6. ये आपको frequency भी दी हुई है. Now the question is saying, question is, from the following exclusive series, convert it into less than cumulative series. यानी कि हमने इसको लेस देन क्यूमुलेटिव सीरीज में कन्वर्ट करना है, ये हमें क्वेश्चन ने अल्टीमेटली बोला. ठीक है, तो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. मेरे साथ साथ बेटे आप लोग करने वाले हैं, एंड just understand the concept thoroughly so that you will definitely come to know that how you have to do that answer. ठीक है, यहाँ देखेंगे एक एक करके सब. You know, यहाँ पे हम लिखने वाले हैं, now we will of course write marks and of course frequencies, but in a different way. अभी हमने लेस देन में बोलना है. 0 to 5 मतलब 5, 0 से 5 तक, मतलब we can write it as less than 5. लिख सकते हैं बेटे हम लोग लेस देन 5, हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं ना, लेस देन 5, वी कैन राइट इट एज लेस देन 5. नेक्स्ट को क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, लेस देन 5 से 10 है तो मतलब 10 से कम ना, तो लेस देन 10. अपर लिमिट को आपने अल्टीमेटली यहाँ पे मेंशन करना है. ठीक है, you have to mention the upper limit here in the less than series. Next will be less than 10 से 15, so less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35, less than 40. So we have already mentioned mentioned the less than series. Now let us write the frequency. Now what do you think, frequency will be changed or not? Of course it will be changed, because 0 to 5 was frequency 3, तो less than 5 कितना है, 3 है. 0 to 5 ही तो है, less than 5 3 आएगा. less than 10 कितना होगा बेटे, अब 0 to 5 3 था and 5 to 10 7 था. तो लेस देन 10, 10 से कम कितना टोटल हो गया? 10 हो गया। 3 + 7, ये कैसे आया? ये आया आपका 3 + 7। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट बताइए, व्हाट विल बी लेस देन 15? What will be less than 15? Very good, everyone. 3 + 7 + 2. That means 12. Next will be 12 + 4, 16. 16 + 8, 24. 24 + 1, 25. 25 + 3, 28. 28 + 6, 34. Where this is the less than frequency series. This way we convert the normal exclusive series into a less than frequency series, where we change the marks also, and of course we change the frequency also. Frequency में क्या change किया हमने? Add करते गए, add ही तो करते गए हम लोग। 0 to 5 3 था तो less than 5 3 रखा हमने। 5 to 10 7 था तो less than 10 कितना हो गया? 10 से कम टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी हो गई? ऑफ कोर्स 3 मार्क्स 0 to 5 वाले हो गए, 5 to 10 वाले 7 हो गए, तो 10 हो गया। फिर 10 + 2 12, एंड कंटिन्यू हमने क्या किया? CF निकाला, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाली हमने इसके अंदर। इज माय पॉइंट क्लियर? एनी डाउट टू एनीवन इन दिस? नाउ प्लीज राइट वन मोर क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग यू। प्लीज लिखिए, मार्क्स लिखिए। राइट वन मोर क्वेश्चन प्लीज एवरीवन। 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. ठीक? And frequency is also given to you: 9, 4, 15, 6, 12, 6. Now question is asking to please convert it into less than frequency series. Do it yourself, please. Do it and write your answer in the chat box. Mention your frequency. Less than वाले तो सबको पता हो जाएगा. Okay, Paridhi, can you tell me what will be the marks now?
लेस देन 20 हो जाएगी फ्रीक्वेंसी तो, और जो वो मतलब मार्क्स हो जाएंगे लेस देन 20, और जो
मुझे
फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी
सिर्फ
वो 9
मार्क्स
हो
बताओ
जाएगी।
बेटे, सारे मार्क्स बताओ आप
9
मुझे।
9
मार्क्स,
9 +
मार्क्स
4
बेटे, नॉट फ्रीक्वेंसी, मार्क्स।
मार्क्स 10 लेस देन 20,
नेक्स्ट।
लेस देन 30,
Yes, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60,
लेस देन
less than
60,
70. That means आपका less than series तो ये हो गया. Now please get the frequency and let me know in the chat box, everybody. What is your frequency now? By the time I'm writing the series here, ये हो गया less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, and of course less than 70. Now what will be the frequency here? The first frequency is of course 9, because 10 to 20 is 9, so less than 20 is of course 9. वो आपका 9 ही रहेगा obviously. Next, 9 + 4, 13, 28, 34, 46, and 54. 46 and 52. The last one is 52. Clear? So that was how to convert a normal series into less than frequency series. Now let's do one more question of converting the normal series into more than frequency series. Now we'll do it for more than. तो हम यही वाला series बेटे ले लेते हैं. Let's take this series only. And we'll copy it here. So, okay, I'll just write it. The series is zero to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. And your frequency here is 372 481 36. 372 481 3 and 6. So this is our frequency in our question. Okay. Okay. So this series we have to convert into more than series. So now, of course, marks will be changed. है ना? So what will be the marks? Let's see. Marks and of course frequency will also be changed. We'll write it as number of students. Now, marks will be now because we have to convert it into more. So 0 to 5 will be more than 0. अभी lower limit का काम हो गया बेटे. Next will be more than मतलब उससे ज्यादा. More than 5. More than 10. More than 15. More than 20. More than 25. More than 30. More than 35. So of course these are the marks now. And you know now the number of students, that is frequency, will also be adjusted. कैसे? Now tell me what is more than 0. कितने बच्चों के 0 से ज्यादा मार्क्स आए हैं मुझे ये बताइए आप देखकर. How many students got more than 0 marks? मेरे पास आंसर आ रहे 3. बेटे 3 तो 0 to 5 मार्क्स हैं. 3 बच्चों के आए हैं 0 to 5. लेकिन more than 0 तो बेटे सबके ही मार्क्स है. Don't you think? More than 0 तो सबके ही मार्क्स है. 0 to 5 is also more than 0. 5 to 10 more than 0 है. 10 to 15 more than 0 है. Means 34 students जो total था, they scored more than 0. Got my point? More than 5. मुझे बताइए 5 से ज्यादा कितने बच्चों के मार्क्स हैं? Obviously अगर total 34 था, 0 to 5 में 3 आ गए, तो 5 से ज्यादा कितने बच्चों के हुए? 31 मार्क्स. 31 स्टूडेंट्स. माइनस कर दिया मैंने 3. ओके, नाउ मोर देन 10. 10 से ज्यादा कितने बच्चों के हैं? 31 माइनस 7 कर दो अब. दैट इज 24. नाउ 24 माइनस 4 20. 20 माइनस 8 12. 12 माइनस 1 11. 11 माइनस 3 8. 8 माइनस 6 2 students. Clear? But this is your way for converting a normal series into more than frequency series. ये आपका वे है to convert the series into more than frequency series. Normal series you have to convert into more than frequency series. Is it clear to all? Acha, one question I'm providing you, where marks have been given to you as 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And frequency is given as, that is given to be 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 7. The question is asking to convert it into more than series. So of course, now marks will be different and number of students will also be different this time. Marks means your this will change na, more than series. So जरा marks change करके लिखो, क्या आएगा? More than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60, right? And you know, number of students will also be changed this time. How? More than 10, all belongs to more than 10, which means 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 7, 19 plus 7, 26. Clear? Now, after this, after 26, the next will be 26 minus 5, 21. 21 minus 6, 15. 15 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. तो आप देख ही रहे हैं 6 to 77 था and more than 60 is of course 7. Clear how to convert a normal series into more than series? बेटे कई बार क्वेश्चन ऑपोजिट भी आ सकता है. Convert the less than or more than series into normal series. That I'll let you know in the next class. But Abhi, I'm giving you one question for the practice. Please write down. And what you have to do is you have to convert this series into both less than and more than. Change it into both less than series and more than series. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. And frequency has been given to you is 5, 2, 7, 3, 9, 1, 4, 2. Now please convert this series into both less than frequency series and more than frequency series. Convert it into both, please. Do it right now. Do it faster. I got the answer from 2-3 students. Everyone do it faster and let me know what is the frequency in less than and what is the frequency in more than.